Hey guys, I did a little bit of updating on this thing here. So you can see the hollow light's off. And a second here. Whoops, sorry. There it is, on, off. And then with the layer message. Oops. Where is it? Pretty cool. See if I can do the other one. And then still working on a few other things. There might be some issues with the motor controllers, but hopefully I won't have them soon. So lights on, lights off. Pretty cool. And he does his normal random sounds and stuff like that. And then he's fully automated now, so I won't even use this, and it should do his own little thing. Occasionally turn on his own. There you go. See, I didn't even do anything. He's just automated, and he should come up with his own sounds too. So, see. All right, guys. Enough for now.